Alright, so here's the first look at our brand new smoker that we'll be using for the first few parts of these videos. Just get rid of this little sticker right there, but go ahead and open her up. Got some nice little space here. Firebox got nice little space as well, and space for grilling, obviously. So go ahead and close that back up, and we'll get into our first part of the video. Alright, so as you can probably tell from the video title, video number 1 is going to be all about seasoning your smoker. We do this to maintain longevity of the smoker, get rid of any unwanted things that came from the factory, and to make it look prettier. So I'm going to start off by showing you how to do that. We're going to start with taking these grates out, as you're going to want to clean these with soap and water, so I'll show you how to do that in just a second after I get all these taken out. Alright, so I've got all the grill grates out now, and I'm just going to give them a nice quick rub down with some soap and water real quick before we get going. So grill grates, like the black ones, are actually relatively clean already. They're sprayed down with a nice coat of paint. So these ones don't need a whole lot of cleaning per se, but these other gray ones that I've got are going to make sure I get real in depth with that one. As not that they're really going to affect anything too much, but I just want to make sure that they're not affecting anything. So these are the grates that would go in the firebox if I wanted to do some nice over the fire cooking, which I probably won't do, and I actually might even leave these out completely. Alright, so I'm going to go throw these back in, and we'll get working on the next side. Alright, so now we've reached the fun portion, where we get to cover this completely, inside and out, in cooking oil. This will definitely help keep everything going nice and smoothly, help cover your paint, help keep everything on the inside feeling nice and fresh, and so let's get to it. Good enough, right? So I obviously have to get a new chimney starter at some point, but this will be good for just what it is. And yeah, get this burning. So just come in here, just stuff up the bottom real quick. Just like so. Just let it sit. Alright, so we've got it lit. It's going to take a couple of minutes, so I'll check back here and when it's all ready. Alright, so we're pretty much ready to dump this charcoal in and finish up the last pieces for the smoking or the seasoning process. That's hot. That is hot. Alright, so obviously a little bit more work than anybody ever really needs to do. Make sure for the next video I've got a better one, but we're going to close this up and get the process rolling. So we're looking for a temperature right around 300-ish, and it's going to burn for about an hour. So. Alright, so thank you for tuning into this first video. I honestly appreciate it. Don't really know what to say here for this first one, but if you like the content, I'm definitely going to be producing a lot more. Leave a comment showing what you want to see or what you want to see different. And yeah, this next video will probably be a little bit more planned out rather than this one. This kind of spur of the moment. I got the smoker, was pretty excited and couldn't wait. So make sure to check out the next video, which should be usually Friday release. So again, thank you.